Recognized software for building physics and static calculations of glass, windows and facades. Software for your success. sommainformatik.com.
Welcome to the product presentation of WINSLT. WINSLT is the software solution for calculating photometrics, solar and thermal characteristics of glazing in combination with solar shading. Today I will show you the calculation of a triple ISO LSG in WINSLT. To start the software, choose the item WINSLT in Somma Global. In the upper area, I enter the product information. To define the glass structure, I select the basic glass in the tree. For example, this had a thickness of 4 mm. By the next step, I choose a composite layer, for example, a PVB foil. Once again, a basic glass. Now I specify a cavity. Here we select 90% argon. Once again, a basic glass. And again, a cavity with 90% argon. After the cavity, I select the coating . Once again, a basic glass. And then the composite layer, again PVB foil. At the end of the construction, I choose the basic glass. The glass structure is completed. The calculation can be carried out. After the calculation, we can make the setting to display the glass structure in off-colors temperature. The result printout is shown under Result. Furthermore, I get the declaration of performance, with CE marking. Finally, the project is saved with the button in the menu bar. Thank you for your interest in WINSLT. For more information, please visit our website at www.somma-informatik.com.